Steamy. That's it, guys. Krabben banana. Ready at the moment still. Yes.
Kannst du mal hier hinsetzen?
Was Sonne, Leute.
Weil hier ist auch kühl. Hier ist oben kühler, gell?
Yeah, and then we have some pimento leaves. You want to use a lot because you know you like that flavor and thing. Yeah, so we're going to put some pimento leaf inside, followed by a decent amount of salt. You have to make sure that the amount of salt is correct, you know. That's wichtig.
Wenn es ein bisschen salzig schmeckt.
And pepper. And then we're going to leave that too.
But not normal pepper, but
Scotch bonnet pepper. We need the hot pepper, so we're going to leave that for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're going to clean the crabs and put them in. So, stay tuned.
smell already.
Kannst du mal riechen, Sam? Yeah. You smell that? Riech mal. Riech mal.
Pimento.
Lecker, gell? Ja, das ist von der Pimento.
Du machst aber keine normalen Pimentos da rein, ne? Keine Körner.
No. Just the leaves. You need only the leaves. And we have some peppers.
Das riecht aber.
Riecht gut. Yeah. I'm washing the crabs, you know. You don't want to put them dirty, but this is just a rough wash. I'm going to wash them properly in that bucket. So this is the hard part, man. Mal gucken. Halt mal hier so. Siehst du, wie dreckig das ist? Muss mal abwaschen ein bisschen. Wo war diese? Okay, hier. Noch 3 sehen. Schöne Frau, ne?
Das sind alles Frauen, gell?
Okay, das ist einfach so tot, weißt du?
Die Armen, ey.
Arm.
Also, geht so. You almost make it.
Bye bye. So einfach, egal wo, ja. So, ja.
Und dann jetzt essen?
Aber nicht schlucken. Irgendwie Saft raus. Aber einfacher, kannst du mal ein paar so schneiden, weißt du?
A few moments later.
Steamy. That's it, guys. Krabben banana. Ready at the moment still. Yes. Ready. So you see this? You smell that? Woo! All that fragrance. Yeah. That is it. This is diner shots. En weißt du so, das hier, die Beine, weißt du, innen drin ist Fleisch. Weißt du, ich meine? Da, ich mag gar nichts hier, weil es so viel Arbeit. Aber im Moment, hier, ich mag hier ab, weißt du? Und dann
Wieso redest du denn eigentlich nicht Englisch? Wir haben doch gesagt, du redest Englisch im Video.
Oh, you want me to talk English?
Ja, please.
Okay. So, in the foot here, so, shut it, there's a lot of flesh. So we normally just take the shell off and eat the flesh from inside. The shell can't eat, you understand what I say? We have the knife back like this, so we can use it to break the claws. Example, let me show you. Inside of the claws here, it's only flesh, no flesh, right? Show you, yeah? It's only flesh inside. Only flesh. Yeah? So, you eat the flesh from inside the legs and inside the claws, and in the back there's a little flesh inside. I'm gonna have to show you how that is, but später. Ab jetzt, ich mag die Beine. Now I'm gonna finish the legs and the claws first, and then I show you about the back.
A few moments later.
So, das hier ist Rücken.
Schaut sie Englisch?
That's the back. Here's the back of the crab. That's the underside or the private area of the female. That's how it looks like. That's the mating area. Now they put the little feathers and twinkle them together, you know? That's the mating process. So okay, we're going to remove the back now. So it's very easy after it's boiled, you know? You can just remove the back of the crab now. And you remove the underside as well. Ja, and that here is the Wurst. Einfach wie hier. Weißt du, viel Fleisch ist hier drin. Diese kleinen Sachen wie Feder. Mach mal.
Scheiße, wenn man blöd ist, ne?
English. Okay, so this little these feather things here. I don't know what's the correct name for them. Yeah, you will just remove that. That's the mouth here, and then you would break the breast in two. No? And you can actually the breasts have a lot of flesh inside, like a lot, you know. You see? Feel, feel. That is it.